Coin on lows. That coin, wow. That coin here at 34, 34.40, 34.80. This Microsoft continues to come in. Wow. Apple coin. This coin, the daily isn't great, but it is down 10%. 34.30, 34.80. Wonder if Microsoft's going to bounce off the support level. This 226.50. Let's look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA, and here's coin popping back up to the 40s. Can I get a fill up here in the 40s? NVIDIA coming in. 32. It's the low of day. Let me reset. Very close to getting a short off on coin. Did not get filled. NVIDIA on lows. Did not get filled coin. Got it there. It spikes to the 50s. Have a short on. Average price is 45 cents. We are looking for new lows here. See if we can get down there. Tesla on lows. Market heavy. Let's see if we can come in. Down to the 30s, down to the 20s. Can we make another run for lows on this coin? HKD moving up to highs. Here's the 20s on coin. Teens popped from there. Can we get back down to lows on coin? We are coming into yesterday's lows as well, so I want to be careful with that. Gonna take 2 off right there. See if we can get back down to new lows. Cancel my stop there. Can we flush out? And back up. I mean, if it's not going to come in straight away, I mean, it needs to go like right now. Right now. These bids need to get hit and drop. Can we see that drop? 13s, are they hitting them? Not really. About to take another 2 off. Seeing the offers step down now. 14s now. Coming to hit the hole and then just jump straight back up. It's just odd behavior. 17s, 16s, want to see it just press down. Yeah, don't want to see it in the 20s anymore. I'm going to take 2 more off. Down to just 100 now. Microsoft on lows. Setting a stop on the final 100. And there she cracks. There she goes. So bad cover at 27 cents there on that piece, as could have held it a couple seconds longer. Have to review the video on that. I'd like to see a flush down here, see what we get. NVIDIA. And there goes coin. cracking. Didn't get down to new lows, but I think it will. It's quite heavy, down 9 something percent. I'm actually looking for a place to potentially add. Nvidia starting to perk up. I might just take this here and try to reload higher up. If it doesn't crack through, I would like to reload up here at like 40 cents. Here's lows. Can it crack? Yes, it can, but didn't go down very much. 85s. No one's hitting the bid down here. Gonna go ahead and just cover my position into this lows. There's 85s again. So I'm flat the coin. There it goes through 80s. Gonna set a marker here, but I think that I want to find a way back in, and I think that would be back up here in the 30s or 40s. There's 80 cents. So yeah, there she goes. I got rid of a lot of my size on that erroneous. That was a mistake right there. Coin, the little pop, not quite enough to get up here though. I'll wait around, see if I can get another pop. Yeah, that Microsoft, that would have been a nice trade so far. So far, nice. Don't know what would happen later, but that was quite a spot. Let's take a look at NVIDIA. And Baba, okay, yeah, NVIDIA, Microsoft, HKD, Meta. Interesting, Meta popping. And here we are, coin in the 50s. And I am only 10 cents away from getting a fill. Let's see if we can get it. There I am on the offer. Big volume coming through here on the sell side. Can it pop up a little bit, or do I need to hit the bids here? Got a partial. Got my full clip there at 66 cents, so I have a partial position on. I have another order to sell more up here, up in the 80s, closer to 34. But I do have a partial position on at 66 cent average, and we are looking for $32. I have to report to work in 3 minutes as well. Squeezing a little higher into the 70s, 80s. I'm up at 86, trying to get more. Didn't get it. Lots of selling here on the tape. So the plan here will be to cover half of it into 33 and then hold the other half for 32 if we get there. There's that Microsoft back up into the 20s, but really only focusing on coin here. Down to the 40s. 30s, low 30s. They're still selling at 20s. There's my cover down at 16. Will I get it? Very close to getting it. Did get it there. I'm gonna go ahead and cancel these orders here. And then for this other two, I'm looking for it to come into 32. I'm gonna put a stop back up here at break even. That's gonna get triggered. What was the high of that? Like 90 cents. Let me give it a little bit more room. I'm gonna give it up to 90 to the high here. And see if it can crack. If it goes to 32.90, I'll say back below. And I'm pretty much going to just go on mute here and let this thing try to work. Again, my goal here is for it to crack lows and head back down. We'll see if that happens. Either get stopped out up here on a reversal, basically, or I'm going to catch another 1.5. So we'll see. Market right now, not back up into its pre-market range, so just going to let this one go and go on mute. Okay, looks like coin cracked that 33 level and is starting to make its way back down to lows. Lows are at 75 cents. Let's go ahead and make a low a day alert, and I'm still waiting out for a larger move down, the second leg down into 32 down here, and I'll cover down here. That's the plan. And let's see, with this move coming down here right now, I think that I am going to move my stop down to, what am I at, 90 cents? I think I'm going to go down to like 60 to break even basically at this point. So and we'll see if this thing can crack lows and make a run down. I think it could. It's down 12% and it hasn't had a second leg, and I think I'm pretty well positioned for that second leg. So again, gonna go on mute and try to just let this thing go unless we get some kind of positive catalyst like we just look like we got right there. And she pops Don't know what's going on, if there's fresh news or what, but the entire market just popped hard. Well, either way, stops in place. Gonna just let this thing work, but it does look like some kind of positive catalyst may have just entered the market. This coin just popped from 90 cents up to 40 something cents really quickly. So yeah, we'll see. Gonna leave it on. And it looks like I just got stopped out on this coin, um, on that spike up there. What did I get? 69 cents. It's unfortunate because I think I should have been more defensive down here when we didn't actually break down to new lows. Probably should have covered another one down there. Probably gave back a decent chunk of open P&L, but I was looking for a much larger move down. So, and maybe that was the the top of that. Now this thing's gonna come in, maybe. So, but either way, I'm gonna head off to work. I did catch a chunk of it here and basically broke even on the second chunk, and it looks like it is coming back in. But I can't devote my attention to it right now. So I'm going to head off to work and cut this video here.